Well, here we are, another day, and we are ready to get this party started. Come on, let's get going. Well, here we go for day 4. Another adventure does away, and excited this morning because we are on our way out to meet up with Paloma from Coupon to Provide. Those of you that have been watching YouTube for a long time, I am sure you're already subscribed to her channel. She and I have done some collaborations in the past, and now we finally get to meet face to face. So come on, let's get there. Guys, so we made it. Here's Paloma.
Hey guys.
She's so cute. She is more beautiful in person than she is online. And your house is amazing.
Thank you.
Yeah, so if you guys have not been watching the remodeling of this home, you got to go check it out. Coupon to Provide. I'll have her link for you down below because it's amazing. It's even prettier in person, but it's gorgeous.
It's been a lot of fun. It's definitely been a lot of fun. Hard work, but fun.
You've been working hard. Yeah. So go follow her. Well, that was very fun. Enjoyed that little get up together with Coupon to Provide. If you guys aren't following her, definitely go follow her. She has an amazing channel with DIYs and all the stuff they're doing to their house, and it looked so pretty inside. So Paloma, thank you so very much for opening your home to us. I really, really enjoyed it. Yes, I did. And now it is time to get to the big city, and let's go pick up these scores. Lunchtime at the Chick-fil-A. Well, we got those T-shirt scores.
Yep.
Yep, let's show everybody. Overall superior. What you think about that?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
A little low. A little low for what we thought, huh?
Yeah.
Not very kind comments from the judges.
No.
But hey, at least this is superior, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have to say we are very surprised by what the judges have said. They did give him an overall superior rating, which is the best you can get. Remember, 40 is the best, so he does have a superior, but they told him it was too trendy. How is that possible? They told him. I mean, isn't that the whole point? If you're going to be designing something, you want it to be on trend, right? And they also told him that there was too much open space in the middle between the moon and the earth, but that's exactly the point, right? So I don't know. You're open to the subjective opinion of those judges. So anyway, now we wait. We won't know until Friday night if any of his categories got first, second, or third. There's still a shot here. So we're holding out hope. Now let's get on up and watch some comedy. We're in downtown Houston near, was it the Wall Ball Bridge? I'm not sure how you say the name of it, but supposedly, well, not supposedly, there is a huge colony of bats that are released every night. So my aunt is also here in Houston this week for the fine arts, and they were able to come down and see it last night, and it looked so cool, the picture. So let's go see if we can find those bats. If you ever plan to come down here, watch it underneath this bridge, it stinks quite badly. We don't see where they're hanging, but we can hear them, so now we're just waiting for them to emerge. awesome fountain, you guys, in the middle of this park. It's a dandelion. Oh, I absolutely love it. So very cool. Up underneath this bridge, and it appears that the bats stay up in these little crevices during the daylight hours. You can hear them up in there. They can see them with the flashlight, but I can't see them on the camera. All right, you guys, let me try to zoom you in, because when he first turns on the light, you're gonna be able to see them, but they're gonna try to move from the light. Oh, I don't think it's showing up for you guys on camera, but I can see all the thousands of little bats. There they are, guys. Can you see them? Oh, look how they run from the light. That is amazing how they move from the light. That is incredible. I do believe there's a sermon in that. Oh, look at them. Come back forward with your light. There. Oh, that is so cool.
Oh, there they go.
There they go.
We need to get on the other side of the bridge. We need to see what it's looking like from the other way.
That's pretty funny, isn't it?
Look at him way above the...
Look at him way out there. Look at him way out there.
Way out there.
Look at him. Let me get out.
Oh, do they stink?
The building, look at it. You can see him like around the tree.
No way.
You think he did? Kevin comes out here every night.
Look at him, look at him, look at him. A black cloud.
Well, what did y'all think?
Interesting.
Y'all weren't digging it as much as me.
Yeah.
But it was cool. Like, you could see them way down there over top of the building. What's more amazing is how all of those bats found the bridge and then they come back every night. Because there were a ton of them. Yeah, I thought it was pretty cool. So if you're ever in Houston, come to the bridge and watch the bats. So here we are back at the hotel, and can you believe I am so exhausted? I forgot I didn't even close out the vlog. So on that note, I'm gonna say goodnight, you guys, because it has been a long, tiring, but extremely fun day, and I'm so glad that you joined us. I want to thank you very much, and I want to say it really is a divine life, so get out there and live it with purpose. See you tomorrow. Code word for today is crowned jewels.